Awesome. So my name is Rishi Jain. I'm the co-founder of Digital Scholar, and today we have Neha Agarwal, who is an Instagram influencer. She's a video influencer. She does social media services for people. She gets brand collaborations, and I believe a lot of things that she's been doing just organically through her Instagram. So Neha Agarwal, welcome to the show. How have you been?
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you for this beautiful invitation, first of all. And I feel it's like a goosebumps over that I got a beautiful opportunity to talk to you on one-to-one level,
Thank
first
you.
of all.
Thank you so much, Neha. So, we would like to know something about you, what you've been doing, and how you have moved into an online marketer and how things have changed for you. So, certain introduction about you, then we can get into the specifics.
Sure, sir. So this is Neha Agrawal, and I'm from Patna, sir. And I have done few marketing jobs beforehand, but then I shifted my line to digital marketing, specific to social media and videos. Then I started with vlogging first of all in my city itself. But then lockdown happened, and then I got to see a very beautiful ad and webinar of Saurav Jain conducting, teaching something about Instagram, which has a lot of opportunity. Of course, I didn't know earlier, but then I thought let's give it a shot. And then I took the course, I took the 90 days challenge, and there you can see me right now.
Awesome, awesome, Neha. So, how many followers did you grow to, and how has your entire Instagram influencing changed the way things have been working for you?
So when I joined your course, it was just 300. Now it is more than 2,500. I keep run small lab. Then I stop. Then I start working on it. Influence. It's been like people now. Look forward to speak. Like I should speak for them, or they should learn something from me, or if they can, copy me the way I speak, the way I present myself on video. This is what they look for me right now. What I see, people will come to me.
Okay, perfect. So, how have you upskilled with Digital Scholars Instagram course? How were you able to upskill, and what was the entire mindset shift that you had, which helped you get on to the game of entire online marketing? And we're going to be discussing more about it. But what was that one skill that you gained out of it, which helped you actually to move forward?
So, sir, like I can speak in Hindi or just English is fine.
English
Both.
is okay. I think
English, no issue, no issue. So when I started my online journey, like in 2019 itself, the basic problem I was facing in how to come up with the content on a regular basis. So that was the biggest problem that I learned from the course, that there are a lot of aspects. Divide your course or divide your content into several parts, and then come up, keep teaching, keep giving value, and start connecting with people. That's what I learned. And the second thing I learned was automation and consistency. Like in the morning I used to create content and then post. Like I was like so jumbled up, like what should I do, how should I move forward? But then no, I had to take that step if I want to go forward. So I kept first automation post, and then I started working on stories, consultations, and then things just went on with mentorship and social media services.
okay. Now you are the true example who has earned almost commissions, brand collaboration, clients, students. I don't know what not. So would you like to share your story on how you were able to get consultation projects, how you are mentoring people, how you are helping them do the services for them, how you're getting brand collaboration? If you want to share some insights.
Sure, sir. So actually, see, I never say myself as an expert because there are many experts. But what I believe is always to learn. So the now maximum I would just want to say that people learn but don't execute. What I do, I learn and execute on the same day so that it becomes a new thing for me also and for my audience also. So that is why I kept on doing it. And I thought if I will not give a call to action, that I give consultation, how would people know about me? So I started making the link tree and giving a call to action that I give a lot of small consultation if you want to learn something from me. And then people started coming to me. And the best part was not only one person, there were many people who were like 10 to 15 people who were in group friends. They started recommending, just go to Neha, take that mindset shift, take that something that she will push you to bring your business online or Instagram. So that was the biggest thing. And apart from the brand collaboration, all they wanted, I should speak something about their product. They just liked, they just want to see me on videos, and that is what they kept on coming to me. And mentorship, people were like, I just need profile like Neha. These were the words of my students, and I feel like, oh my god, if that is what I have made something that somebody wants to copy, then definitely go and copy that. Just like Akshay Kumar said in Mission Manga, go copy that. I feel so happy for that.
Awesome, awesome, awesome. And also, you had brand collaboration recently where you've been endorsing products. Yeah.
Yes,
And
sir.
and see, there is a myth, I believe, with a lot of people who say that if you have less number of followers, you cannot get brand collaboration, which is
Yes,
wrong, right? Which is wrong.
yes.
You want to share something about it?
Sure. So I just believe that I have worked only and only on creating a good network, and they have learned from me, from my profile, and they just, came to me that, Neha, we don't believe your number of followers, but the way you have a strong connection with your audience, we just want you to take our product and talk about it. So I thought, yeah, definitely I'll do that. And people have started taking it, and they feel like, yes, we will bring more and more collaboration, because the way you speak, we feel like we should definitely try that. So this is what I got, the brand collaboration, and there are more incoming. I have getting a lot of messages now.
Wow, wow, wow. Amazing, amazing. So, what are the products that you've signed up for?
Right now, the first was foot soak. Like they say that you work a lot, you really require that. So go for it, try our product. And second, because it is winter, so they told you can try our flavored honey. And third is one more coming up. So if you can see on the profile, then only
Awesome. We
check
will
it
see
out.
that. We'll definitely see that. So, what is the kind of revenue you have generated online? And I believe you are dedicatedly into this, right? So, this is
Yes,
your calling. This is what you want to do throughout, right? So, this is
yes,
there's no second thought to it. So, what is
no.
the kind of revenue that you've generated until now, and what is the way forward that you see for yourself?
So first of all, when I started, I could not see any revenue, because when I started vlogging, there was no such money. People, yeah, could give such money, but I was not happy about it. And then I started with giving consultations with just 499, like very small amount. But then my first month revenue was only 1400. Can you imagine? And my mother and father used to say, "What are you doing? There is no future in that." I'm like, "Please give me just 6 months. I'll definitely try to prove something." And then October month, I earned 40,000. That was a big amount for me, because I didn't like think about myself that people could invest. And the best thing I used to say, when they say that, will I have to pay this much, I said, you don't have to pay me, you are investing in yourself, just as I did by taking the course of mentors. So they were so convinced by this language, and that's how I could know. And yeah, then I started with mentorship and one-on-one level, where I teach student for 1 month what is Instagram, how all you can bring some second source of income or source of income apart from your main business. And then I also started with social media services, which was specific Instagram, and now people are getting business. So yeah,
Wow.
they're going good.
And what was the number? I think
Number, till now in 6 months I have made up approx 1.5 L, like
awesome, awesome.
one.
And this was purely organic, right? Purely
Purely
organic.
organic, and I have run few ads also. People have seen me through ads also, but then yeah, there's a big network that goes on and people talk about me, and then they come ki, I have heard about you, that's why I want your mentoring, I want your social media service. That feels so good,
Awesome.
all because of the presence on Instagram, and all credit goes to you, sir. Yeah, like I remember when I joined the co, there was a weekly classes held by Rishi sir or Saurav sir. Learn this, try this, make an Excel sheet, do that, and I have done that, and I that is what I teach my students also now. So I feel so happy.
Awesome. That was amazing, Neha. I believe, yeah, you are an inspiration because you wanted to do something of your own.
Yes,
Yeah, you worked really hard, improved your presence on the online world. Still have 2,500 followers, which is more than enough for you to generate business still, right? And you
yes,
still were able to make 1.5 lakhs, which is purely organic. And I know
yes,
this is just the start of good time, because once you get the hang of it, now you are looking at ways to basically get more collaborations, more service, more clients basically. And I
yes,
believe you're expanding your team as well, which is
yes,
so important. Right now you are employing people, and
yes,
making them, paying to them basically. So this
Yes,
is
I
such a
feel
big thing.
so happy with this. Like on the July month, I used to think whether I'll be earning or not, and I have two members in my team, and they totally rely on me. Ki Neha ma'am is there, and she will help her. She's only handling the clients. We will help her, handhold her, Instagram account. So definitely they are there. I feel so proud of them.
Wow.
So proud of them.
Wow, wow. This is so amazing and so inspiring, Neha, that, when you were thinking that, will I be able to do it now? You're basically employing so many
Yeah.
people and, feeding the entire families and all of it, which is such a proud moment, I think, for all of us.
And
So,
one more thing I want to add, the interview that I am getting opportunity today, I will also add that people are started coming to me that Neha, we want to interview you, whether on Instagram, whether on podcast. And I feel, wow, now my voice has to go somewhere, which I have envisioned, like 2 to 3 years back, if somebody should come and talk about my life, talk about my business. So I think I can see little by little. So thank you
definitely,
so much.
definitely. So I believe you are like a mini celebrity, online celebrity that is going on. And of course,
Yeah.
I totally understand what you are trying to say. Just by working hard for 6 months, people will start following you. They're gonna respect you. They're gonna want to work with you. There are a lot of possibilities on the online world, and
Yes,
you
it
are
is.
one such big example for us.
Is.
So I'm so happy that you actually collaborated with Digital Scholar. You wanted to learn from us, and
Yes.
you were able to become an awesome success story. And we are so happy to have you with us. We always keep taking up your example, and we've seen the hard work from
Wow.
nothing to
Sir,
something.
please let me know which example you have used. I would really love to know that.
We use your example in all our webinars everywhere else, and today I want to do a proper video so that it stays, so we can always say that go and check out this video where you're
Wow.
gonna be knowing everything about Neha and what she's up to as such. Yeah, we should
Wow.
do another interview 6 months down the line. I'm pretty sure that the statistics are gonna just scale up altogether.
Scale up.
Yeah. Perfect, Neha. Thank you
Thank
so
you
much
so
for
much.
doing this on a short notice, and lovely having you here. All the very best, and we're going to
Thank
be
you so
catching
much.
up again, right?
Thank you. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.
So before disconnecting, can I have a photo?
Yeah, why not? Sure.
Sure. So just a second. Smile, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so
Thank you.
much.
Thank you. Bye bye. Take
Bye,
care.
sir.